Hi guys, welcome to Topic School Plus. You guys, you know all those AI videos that everybody's using that is trending, the one that they'll be dancing, they'll be doing all manner of things. If you've not used it and you are doing anything online, like hi, what are you doing this 2026? What's wrong with you? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI, this particular app that I just discovered to especially short form content, like add spice to your content. If you are not following me, do follow me. If you are based in Nigeria, I sell perfume oils. All right, this is vanilla rose aloe. Okay, it's a perfume oil. It's different from your normal perfume, and this is chocolate scent. So the two are going for 15,000 naira. So if you are based in Nigeria, send me a message. I'm going to put my contact in the description box. But let me show you this app. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is to follow me on this page. If you're not following me, follow me on this page. That's the first thing. And I want you to tell me Topiscope teach me in the comment section. Put it there. All right, so after you've done all of that, if you've done it, then I want you to go to Google Play Store and search for Viggle AI. This is what it looks like. Viggle AI. It has an app. It also has a website. So if you don't want to download the app, you can just go on their website and search. Just put viggle.ai. So the first thing you are going to do is to go on any social media platform, look for a dance step that you like. So for instance, I like Pop Up Speedy. Like her dances are always very nice. So I am going to be using Pop Up Speedy. Pop Up Speedy is going to be our muse. So yeah, we're just going to copy. I'm going to copy the link. We're going to download it. Okay, so if you don't know how to download from social media apps, let me know in the comment section. So I might do, if there are a lot of requests, I'll do another video for you. So I'm just going to paste the link and download it. So while it is downloading, we're just going to wait. Okay, so while we're waiting, have you liked this video? Have you followed this page? Have you subscribed to this page? What platform are you watching this on? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so our video has not fully downloaded, so it's downloading. So let's allow it to download. Okay, so downloading file. So we're just going to go back to viggle.ai. This is what the app looks like. Are you seeing it? This is what the app looks like. So let me go to the website. Let me show you what the website looks like, because it's very similar. Okay, this is what the website looks like. So you are going to take a picture of yourself, or if you have a picture of yourself, you are going to keep that picture very handy because we're going to be using it. So this is a website, right? So in case you don't have the app, this is a website. So don't think, oh, I don't have the app. So the first thing you're going to do is to get a character image. You see there are two boxes. You have A, you have B. Can you see it? Let me come closer. You have A, you have B. You see? So what we're going to do is that you are going to choose, you have library, you have device, but we're going to be selecting it from our device. So you just click on device, go to your internal storage and look for your best picture or something, you know. So which one am I going to use? Let's oh, this one, I look very gentle. Let me use this one that I look gentle. So this is it. So you see it's uploading here, so you can see character, you see. Then we're going to come to motion here, right? Can you see it? You can see this up, down, up, down, down. You're going to put your picture there. Up, you're going to put that video that you downloaded. Good job. So you see it's loading. You can see that it is loading. Can you see it's loading? Right. Please like this video. If I'm teaching you something, if you did not know this before, like this video and say thank you. Topics go in the comment section. So after it loads, so you have background. So we can change the background. See, this is very wonderful. So if I don't want people to know that this is the person that I'm copying, so I can just change the background. So I'm going to change the background to this one that is a road here. You can do what you want. So I'm going to confirm. So add motion to be, no, I don't want to add motion to be. So you have swap character. You have two different choices. You have swap character, you have, let me put it so you guys can see. You have swap character, you have add motion to be. So I don't want to add motion to be, I want to swap character. So we're going to do both. All right, so we're going to mix. So you see it's creating, right? It's creating. So I'm going to do two tutorials, one swapping character and the other one adding motion. So let's see, but let me show you the one that I generated before so you have understanding. You see me dancing, hey galala galala, hey, don't try me. Don't try me. I will give you hot steps. So make your social media more interesting. I'm going to post it on my Facebook. If you are not following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook, Topisco. Just look for Topisco TV on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Any of them. I know some of you don't use all these platforms. It's still generating. So let me sell my market. I know some of you don't use. Some of you are not on TikTok. So if you're not on TikTok, I'm on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. If you're on Facebook, I'm on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Okay. And if you want to know how you can monetize your Facebook page, I did a video on how I got monetized on Facebook in 30 days. So go and check out that video. I'm going to post it here because if you have all these tools like Viggle.ai, perfume oil, don't throw away. If you have all these tools like Viggle.ai, you can quickly, make your social media to become an asset. Yes, all these are tools like AI makes your social media to become an asset. It's not just, oh, I'm just posting online, I'm just no, you can make your social media to be an asset. But this is not what this video is about. Like I said, I'm going to put it there. I also have a class on how you can make your social media an asset. So I have different classes. So I'm going to also put my seller shop down below. Okay, so if that's what you're interested, like, oh, I don't just want to be wasting my time on social media, I want to make it meaningful. I have a class on Facebook, monetizing your Facebook. I have a class on monetizing your YouTube channel. So wherever you're watching it, hey, the food that I'm cooking is done. Let me show you guys. You go fear now. I'm going to post it on shorts or something. Hey, hey, come on now, give them. This year is going to be me at Viggle. Anyway, guys, if you found this video valuable, you learned something, let me know in the comment section and tag me. When you do your own, tag me. I want to see your tags on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, anywhere you're watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.